Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to find the value or values of x for which the function is discontinuous or sometimes called undefined. Okay, so when we deal with this kind of problem, ang kailangan lang natin ay yung denominator. Okay, so sa example natin sa number 1, 3x all over x minus 5. So, mag-focus lang po tayo sa denominator. Kasi, pag pinag-uusapan natin ay discontinuous or undefined, of course, yung nasa baba. Okay. Nagkakaroon lang tayo ng discontinuous or undefined kung ang denominator natin ay 0. So, yun ang hinahanap natin. Okay. So, para mas maintindihan natin ay i-solve natin ang number 1. So, dito, kapihan lang natin ang denominator which is x minus 5. Tapos, equate natin siya sa 0. Okay. Pagkatapos nyan, ay itatranspose natin si negative 5 sa kabila. Bakit? Kasi kailangan nating i-isolate si x. Pag sinabing isolate, dapat mag-isa lang ni x. Kasi nga hinahanap natin ang value ng x. So, x is equal to, pag transpose natin ang negative 5 over equal sign, yung negative sign magiging positive na siya, and then copy the number. Okay. No need to write positive sign. Pag walang nakasulat, ibig sabihin, positive na siya. Okay? And then plus 0. So, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So, no need to write. So, ang ating x ay 5. Okay. Ibig sabihin po na sa example number 1, kung x ay equal to 5, magiging discontinuous po siya o kaya ay undefined. Bakit? Kasi, isa-substitute natin. Kung ang x natin, 3x all over x minus 5. Okay? Kung sa-substitute natin ang 5, anong magiging sagot? So, 3 times 5 over 5 minus 5. So, 3 times 5 is equal to 15. And then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Remember guys, kung ang denominator ay 0, hindi po siya pwede. 15 divided by 0 is not 0, but it's undefined. Okay. So, undefined po siya. Diyan lumalabas yung tinatawag nating discontinuous. Okay. So, hindi pwede kung ang x ay equal to 5. Okay? Next example number 2. So, focus lang sa denominator. Kung ganito siya, of course, kailangan natin i-factor ang denominator and then equate to 0. Okay? So, ang factor ng x. So, x squared siya, kaya meron tayong x at saka x. Ngayon, mag-focus tayo sa dulo. Ano ang factor ng 15? Okay, alalahanin nyo, ang gitna ay negative. Ang dulo ay positive. So, kung ang dulo ay positive at negative ang gitna, possibly, ang sign natin ay negative and negative. Bakit? Kasi negative times negative ay magiging positive. Okay? Next, 15 ang dulo. So, ano yung mga possible factor ng 15? Na ang sum ay 8. Okay? Meron tayong 3 at saka 5. Kasi, 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Negative times negative is equal to positive. Ngayon, ang gitna. So, ang gitna, para ma-check ang gitna, ganito lang. Ito, negative 5 times x, negative 5x. 5x. 5 times negative is equal to positive. Ngayon, ang gitna, so ang gitna para ma-check ang gitna, ganito lang. Ito, negative 5 times x, negative 5x. 5 times negative is equal to positive. Negative 5 times x, negative 5x. 5 times negative is equal to positive. x times negative 3. So, this is negative 5x. And then, x times negative 3, negative 3x. So, negative plus negative is equal to negative. Ibig sabihin, kopyahin lang. And then, add ang number. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and then copy x. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating factor ay tama. Okay? So, erase na natin siya since tama na ang factor natin. Ayan. So, anong susunod? Pag ganito na siya, pag hiwalayin yung dalawa, equate natin siya separately with 0. So, x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Gawin natin pareho lang sa example number 1 kanina. So, alalahanin ninyo, copy si x kasi ihihiwalay si x. Ibig sabihin, mag-isa lang dapat siya. So, ang gagawin, ito ay ita-transpose sa kabila ng equal sign, papalitan natin ang sign. So, x is equal to, yung negative magiging positive and copy 5. And, yung isa, kokopyahin si x, dapat mag-isa lang siya, and then equal sign, ililipat si negative 3 over equal sign. So, si negative magiging positive and then copy 3. Ibig sabihin na ang ating x or the value of x or values of x in the equation x squared minus 8x plus 15, okay, for which function is discontinuous is undefined, we have x is equal to 5 and 3. Discontinuous siya pag ganyan, yan yung values ng x, okay? Okay, so I'm going to give you more examples. For example number 3, okay, so 5x plus 1 all over x squared plus 2. Again, of course, kailangan din natin mag-focus sa denominator. So, kung nakikita nyo, x squared plus 2, hindi siya ma-factor. So, ano kaya ang gagawin natin? Okay, so equate lang natin siya. Okay, sandali lamang. So, this must be 4, sorry. X plus 4. Okay, so hindi siya ma-factor. So, ano kaya ang possible na gagawin? So, x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. So, of course, ita-transpose natin. X squared is equal to, yung negative 4, pag nilipat natin, over equal sign ay magiging negative 4. Next, para matanggal ang square nito, kailangan nating maglagay ng radical sign both sides. Okay? So, square root of x squared, magiging x na lang siya. Bakit? Lalahanin natin, ang purpose ng paglagay ng radicals ay para matanggal ang square nito. Kasi ang radicals, ang exponent nito ay fraction which is 1/2. Okay? So, 1/2 times 2 is equal to 2 over 2 which is 1 na siya. So, ang exponent na natin dito ay 1. Okay. So, i-discuss natin yan sa mga susunod na mga videos. Next, so square root of negative 4. So, hindi siya pwede. Pwede tayong mag-factor. Negative 1 times 4. Okay. Lowest term natin. So, x is equal to square root of, square root of 4 is 2. So, ilabas na lang natin. And then, square root of negative 1. Or, pwede natin siyang isulat as x is equal to plus minus 2i. Okay? So, pwede siyang isulat na ganito or pwede rin ganito na lang siya. Okay? Bakit may negative pa? Kasi hindi naman siya pwedeng 2. Kasi may negative inside. Okay? So, hindi siya pwede. So, ang sagot dito ay ito at saka ito. Okay, it's either of the two. So, ganyan lang po siya. Now, let's move to example number 4. The same steps. 6x all over x squared minus 9. Copy the denominator. So, x squared minus 9, and then equate it to 0. And then, isolate x. So, x squared is equal to transpose negative 9 over equal sign, magiging positive 9. Para matanggal si square, maglagay tayo ng radicals both sides. Okay? So, square root of x squared, magiging x na lang siya. And then, ang square root ng 9 ay, okay, papakita natin paano. 3 squared. Bakit? 3 times 3 is 9 or 3 squared is 9. The same lang. Ngayon, since naka-squared siya, matatanggal si 2. Paano? Okay? I-explain natin dito kung paano. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina. So, x is equal to, ang radical sign po ay, bali ang pagkasulat niyan, ang symbol na radical sign, this one, that means any base raised to 1/2. That is 1/2. This is exponent, ha? Exponent po yan na 1/2. Okay? Yung 2, andito. Yung 1, nasa any base dito, 1 yung nasa taas. So, kung walang nakasulat na 2 dito, ibig sabihin is square root. Pero kung may nakasulat na 3, 4, 5, that is third or fourth na siya, o cube. Okay? So, nakalayo na tayo. Next, raised to 1/2. Ganyan po siya. So, mangyayari na dyan ay x is equal to 3 raised to multiplying fraction to whole number. So, whole number to the numerator. 2 times 1, 2. And then, copy the denominator, 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 na siya. So, x is equal to 3. Nakuha? Ganyan po siya. Ganyan ang pagkuha ng, or relationship ng radicals and exponent. Ganyan po siya. So, ang ating x now ay 3. Ito ang value ng x kung discontinuous or undefined. Okay? So, I'm going to give you 2 more examples. Okay, so example number 5. 1 all over 2 raised to x minus 8. So, paano natin i-deal itong problem na ganito? Okay? So, again, copy the denominator. So, meron tayong 2 raised to x minus 8. Equate natin siya to 0. Okay, ang tanong, paano natin gagawin ito? Ang exponent ay x. Madali lang yan. So, gagawin natin ngayon ay maghahanap tayo ng factor ng 8 na pareho ng base 2. Okay, so 2x, pero before that, we need to transpose muna. So, si negative 8, ito-transpose all over equal sign, magiging positive 8. Ngayon, maghahanap na tayo ng factor niya. So, 2 raised to x. 2. If we have a base 2, how many, or what is the exponent? So, let's count. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So, ibig sabihin, 2 cubed is equal to 8. Okay. Since pareho na ang ating base, then, mai-equate na natin ang exponent. So, ang ating sagot na ay x is equal to 3. So, eto na yung sagot natin. Kung ang x ay 3, then it is discontinuous or undefined. Bakit? Okay. I-check natin kung tama ang sagot natin. Ulitin ko, x is equal to 3. So, follow natin dito or kopyahin natin. 1 all over. That must be 2x. 2 raised to x minus 8. So, ang x natin ay 3. So, 1 all over 2 cube minus 8. Then, 1 all over 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 8. Then, 1 all over 8 minus 8 is 0. Again, alalahanin natin na kung ang denominator natin ay 0, then it is undefined. No exact answer. Okay? So, x natin ay equal to 3. That is discontinuous or undefined. Okay, last example. Meron tayo ditong x plus 3 all over x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x. Again, focus on the denominator. So, kung napapansin ninyo, all of them have x. So, meaning to say, we're going to factor it out. So, ilabas natin ang kanilang GCF or greatest common factor. So, ang greatest common factor ng terms na to ay x. Ilabas siya and then divide. How to divide exponent? To divide exponents, just subtract the exponent. So, x cubed divided by x ay magiging x squared minus 3x squared minus x or divided by x ay 3x plus 2x divided by x ay 2. Okay, next. So, ito, kailangan pa rin nating i-factor. So, copy x, and then make 2 boxes equate to 0. Okay? So, ano kaya ang possible factor nito? Again, x squared, ihiwalay natin in different box. Then, after that, again, positive ito, negative yan. Then, ibig sabihin, ang ating sign ay parehong negative. Kasi negative times negative, magiging positive. Ngayon, walang ibang factor ng 2, kundi 1 at saka 2. I-check na natin ngayon ang gitna, kung tama ang factor natin. Paano? Negative 1x plus negative 2x. Pareho ang sign sa negative. 2 plus 1 is 3x. Okay? So, yan na ang ating sagot. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong tatlong values ng x. Una, x is equal to 0. Pangalawa, kopyahin to. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Again, isolate x. So, x is equal to transpose negative 1 over equal sign. Magiging positive 1. And x minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Then, isolate x. So, x is equal to transpose negative 2 over equal sign. Magiging positive 2. Therefore, the values of x for which the function is discontinuous or undefined are 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so to check whether your answer is correct, just substitute the values that you get to the values of x to your main problem or given problem. Okay, so ganyan lang po ang pagkuha ng values of x for which the function is discontinuous and undefined. Okay guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Keep safe.